Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best digital picture frames. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 digital picture frames, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Pixstar 15-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame. Pixstar made this 1024x768, 4:3 photo frame with your biggest memories in mind, those moments that, even when condensed into a photo, seem to jump out from the screen. Think weddings, graduations, international vacations, the memories that really deserve front and center display are about to have a serious moment. Conveniently, Pixstar has an app via which you can share images from anywhere in the world, meaning that even if you can't be with your loved ones at the moment, you can still send them memories of a happier time. Pixstar doesn't have cloud storage, though, so you'll have to rely on the frame's internal storage. But with 8 GB, around 30,000 images, it's unlikely that you'll run out of room. Additionally, you can connect a social media account and share photos directly from your Facebook or Instagram profile, for example. Other ways to share include a USB stick, SDHC card, or SDXC card. Number 2. Samix digital picture frame. Samix makes sharing images with loved ones easy. It's as simple as downloading their app, Our Photo. With a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, adding photos to the frame can happen in seconds. Other features include a motion-activated on/off switch so that the slideshow automatically starts up when you walk into the room, a user-friendly touchscreen interface, and a sleep mode for evening or nap time. This Samix frame isn't perfect. The instant sharing only works with a 2.4 GHz network, so if you have a 5 GHz network, this may not be the frame for you. And the frame won't work unless it's plugged in since it doesn't have a built-in battery. Otherwise, Samix does an excellent job of making the user experience accessible, and the IPS screen keeps things looking crisp. Lastly, additional features like background music, video compatibility, an alarm clock, a calendar, and daily weather reports make this digital picture frame a winner, though not quite top of its class. Number 3. Aura Mason Lux Wi-Fi digital picture frame. Aura makes digital picture frames that stand out for the full-featured technology contained in their chic minimalist design. Thanks to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi capabilities and free unlimited cloud storage, you could send tens of thousands of photos, or short videos, to any Aura Mason Lux frame on a home network and still not run out of space. Once invited to contribute, anyone with the Aura app on an iOS or Android phone or tablet can edit and add photos from anywhere in seconds, with none of the hassles that come with using email. Once the photos are in the frame, the 2K 2048x1536, 256p display, which can be set up either portrait or landscape and automatically rotates the screen if reoriented, presents them intelligently cropped in chronological order or randomly shuffled, though you can adjust the speed as you see fit. Number 4. Aluratech 8-inch LCD digital photo frame. It's back to basics with the Aluratech digital photo frame. It's wallet friendly, but there's a price. It doesn't boast many of the features that come standard in other frames. There's no battery, no remote control, no touchscreen, and no built-in memory. However, let's not be deterred by the overt simplicity of this frame. For a very affordable price, the Aluratech frame performs the same basic function as the pricier frames. And without all of those gadgets, you may find it's much easier to use, too. Regarding storage, no built-in memory means the capacity will depend entirely on the size of your USB or SD card. Further, you'll have to keep this frame plugged in for it to work, so be sure you have a spot in mind to display it that's near an outlet. Choose from landscape or portrait orientation, select from several slideshow options, and you're all set to enjoy this frame. Number 5. Aditat digital photo frame. This digital photo frame may not have the bells and whistles of a more technologically advanced frame, but what it lacks in features, it makes up for in customization of what it does and does well. Here you'll get an alarm clock, calendar, personal music, uploaded via USB, multiple languages, a remote control, and adjustable slideshow settings to create a truly personalized viewing experience. With only 7 inches of screen, this is also one of the most compact digital photo frames. Despite being physically small, it has tons of storage, 128 GB, to be exact. What's more, an IPS screen makes for a much better viewing experience than an LED screen, so every photo you upload will look its best. Take this frame with you wherever you go, or find it a permanent home in your space. The options are endless with a small, portable screen like this one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.